اسرائیلی वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नेतन्याहू ने कहा है कि इसराइल की बका के लिए ईरान पर हमला ज़रूरी था। कौम से खिताब में नेतन्याहू ने दावा किया कि इसराइल ने ईरानी फौजी तनसीबात, बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल प्रोग्राम और सरकर्दा जौहरी साइंसदानों को निशाना बनाया। इसराइली वज़ीर-ए-आज़म ने यह भी कहा कि उनकी लड़ाई ईरानी अवाम से नहीं बल्कि ईरानी आमरीत से है।
Israel launched Operation Rising Lion, a targeted military operation to roll back the Iranian threat to Israel's very survival. This operation will continue for as many days as it takes to remove this threat. We targeted Iran's main enrichment facility in Natanz. We targeted Iran's leading nuclear scientists working on the Iranian bomb. We also struck at the heart of Iran's ballistic missile program. And if not stopped, Iran could produce a nuclear weapon in a very short time. It could be a year, it could be within a few months, less than a year. This is a clear and present danger to Israel's very survival. So too do the brave people of Iran, and I have a message for them. Our fight is not with you. Our fight is with the brutal dictatorship